this is? An angry bird? Yes, but it can fly in air because it's an angry bird kite. That's fun to make this kite. Let me show you how I made it. You can use any kite paper or simple lightweight paper to make this kite. Let me show you how I made it. I took majorly two colors of paper. I took pink and a blue. What you have to do, you have to cut a circle from that paper. Equal size of circles. Then make an angle and make an arc. Here and here. Just make an arc, don't cut them. And these arcs should be of equal size. Just make an arc. Then the color you want to use in the bottom. Just make a line an inch above this arc. And from this, make an inch below. And then cut this part, this much. And you can remove this part. We have to use just this much. We don't have to use now this part. You can keep it somewhere else for other use. And from this one, you have to make an inch above from the arc and then cut it from here. And then you can use this later on if it's required. And then what you have to do, keep this part on this part. The arc should intersect each other. This arc should intersect this arc, this above arc, this arc. This one arc should intersect this arc, and then you can use these parts to paste. Now for making eyes and beak, take the paper and fold it to the half, like this. Fold it to the half. Now make the pattern of the eye, like this. Make the pattern like this here on the paper. Okay, make a pattern like this on the paper and then cut it. Then what you have to do, you will get an eye like this. You will get the eye like this. Now measure the distance from here to here and make a semicircle like this. Cut it from here. Now for the beak. Now for making the beak, fold the paper to the half and make a pattern like this. Now from a little less, just like this, curve, another curve parallel to this. And you will get the pattern of the beak. Now for making this white part. For making this white part, just put this beak on a white paper. Put this beak on a white paper and make this pattern as it is, like this. It would be something like some heart shape like. Then cut it an inch more from every side. Cut it an inch more. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to first paste the semicircle. Now for making a full angry bird, paste the semicircle of the eyes. Then on this, paste the eyes. After pasting the eyes, you have to paste this beak a little lower. And then on this beak, you have to paste the above beak. This one. This beak, you have to paste it on this. And then the whole angry bird will be ready. Now just this upper portion is left. You can make two drop-like structures for this. You may choose whatever color you want. You may take red, green, blue, pink, whatever you want. It's up to you. And you just have to paste this on the head. After this, the whole kite will be ready. And now what you have to do is the work with the sticks. Now we have to do the work with sticks. Turn this kite over. You need some bamboo sticks. You can take them from a kite dealer or whatever you want. If you don't find them, you can take an old kite and just remove the bamboo sticks from there and join them together to make a long stick. If you didn't find a long stick, you can just join 2 or 3 sticks to make a long stick. First you have to do is to attach a bamboo stick in the middle of it, just like this, in the middle of the semicircle. Okay. The next stick we will attach is from here to here, a semicircle stick, and one more stick will be attached from here to here and here to here. Now I have attached the sticks, see, from here to here by folding some part of the paper behind, and from here to here. I did put some extra paper here just to give it strength. Now you have to attach the strings here and here. Now the shape of the Angry Bird will change a little bit, but it won't look bad. It will look like an Angry Bird.